better.
What's the overall feeling about the defensive effort today?
We kept the rushing down a little bit, but I mean we got to play tougher than that, and they really scheme was good. We got after them, but I mean you can't look at those statistics and be too happy.
Did the tempo? Did you guys get caught up in their tempo a little bit, maybe?
It was a little bit of adjustment. I mean, they up-tempoed up on us, and we wasn't ready for that. So, I mean, next week you gotta be ready for anything.
Adrian, what seemed to change after they got that opening touchdown? Because before Tate Forsythe did come in the game, you guys really seemed to clamp down defensively, and you were able to, create turnovers and make plays.
We saw what they had, and we saw what plays they wanted to run, and we focused on those plays to stop them. And then when Forsythe came in, we got to switch things up again, and we wasn't able to. So
now the blocked field goal, that was you then that got that?
Yeah, I got my hand on it.
Could you just talk about what you were able to do? Is it just a matter of pushing the guy back, or?
Just pushed him back and got my hands up. I mean, we had a stun on rock come inside and somebody come around, so did it and put my hands up and blocked it.
And then just how about Tyler, making the play to pick it up and move the ball further down?
I mean, I need to learn the rules. I didn't know he could do that, so I need to pull out the rule book or something.
What about Darrell setting the record? Your old roommate, all-time leading receiver now.
That's great. I didn't know that. That's great. That's great for him. He really deserves it. I mean, he puts us in so many games and put us back in, and he makes good plays, and he deserves it.